Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm gonna show you how to solve slow download speed on Telegram. On your Telegram app, go to the search bar at the top right corner and type link to files bot. Click the first one and tap on start. After that, you will receive a response from there. Or go to setting application and go to Wi-Fi connection. And then enable and disable the Wi-Fi connection. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.